What if you could finally fix that cringy Gmail address you made way back in high school? Well, Google is rolling out a brand new feature that might let you change your Gmail address and keep all your data, accounts, and everything else exactly where it is. Let's break it down. What's happening? Google is gradually rolling out the ability for Gmail users to change their @gmail.com address without creating a whole new account. This has been one of the most requested features because until now, your Gmail username was more or less permanent once created. How it works. Once the feature reaches your account, you'll be able to go into your Google account settings and choose a new Gmail address, and you won't lose a single email, photo, message, or file. Google will automatically turn your old email address into an alias, meaning you'll still receive mail sent to your old address in the same inbox. You can sign in with either the old or new address. Your data stays untouched. Restrictions you need to know. This isn't an endless free-for-all, though. There are limits to prevent abuse. You can only change your Gmail address once every 12 months. You can make a maximum of 3 changes total, so plan wisely. After you change it, you can't delete or modify the new address for a year. Your old address remains tied to your account and can't be reused by anyone else for 12 months. This feature is huge for people who created Gmail addresses years ago and never updated them, professionals who want a cleaner or more personal email name, anyone who hates forwarding or making a new account and losing login access everywhere. Right now, it's gradually rolling out, so it might not show up for you yet. Google hasn't given exact dates for a full rollout, but users are already spotting the option in some accounts. So there you go. Soon you might be able to ditch that old Gmail handle forever, without losing anything. What would you change your Gmail address to? Drop your ideas in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, like and subscribe for more tech news.